What?
Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools
Next time
Island,
get better
Maryland
signal,
until
idiot.
6:15 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 13 nautical miles west of Middle River, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Turkey Point, Hart-Miller Island, Gunpowder River, Northeast River, Pools Island, Spassuti Island, and Aberdeen Proving Ground. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service